Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Brave browser, just to let you know that the Chromium security fixes have arrived, which arrived late yesterday in my region on the 8th of May. So as always, to double check, we have the update. We head to our main menu, help, about Brave, and the browser is now sitting on version 1.65.130, and that point release has been bumped up from 0.126, and the Chromium platform is now on 124.0.6367.159, and that's been bumped up from 0.118. Now, first of all, Brave has included a bug fix with this point release for the browser, where they say they fixed incorrect rendering of various icons on Google Maps. So that's just a little glitch that should be now sorted out with this update. I'm still waiting for them to sort out the bookmark syncing, which still isn't fixed, but nonetheless, at least the various icons not rendering properly in Google Maps has been sorted out. And then the big one here is obviously the security fixes for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, which received 2 security fixes this week. And they are both high risk, and they are common exploits. The first is user after free in Angle, and the second is heap buffer overflow in web audio. And there are no 0 days that have been exploited in the wild, which is always good news. And we are still waiting for Microsoft Edge to receive the weekly security updates, and I'm sure that will roll out, if not later today, tomorrow. And there's nothing really else new or front-facing with this update. It's just one bug fix and those 2 security fixes that have rolled out for Brave browser. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.